Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn, and today we're going to do an unboxing of my absolute favorite ice cream, Chapman's ice cream, and the flavor is Tiger Tail. What the heck is Tiger Tail, you ask? Well, it is orange ice cream swirled with black licorice. Now, Chapman's ice cream is awesome. It's Canadian ice cream, and the little story on the side says, in 1973, we purchased the small creamery in the village of Markdale, blah, 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 David and Perry Chapman. And I checked it out. There is a little village of Markdale, north of Toronto, and about a quarter of the town is Chapman's ice cream. So, really sweet, wonderful ice cream, and I have a feeling I'm the only person in the Beaver Lake area that likes Tiger Tail ice cream. I had to order it in special, so thanks very much. The Stone Mills Family Market in Tamworth, Ontario, Canada. Thank you for ordering this in for me. Now I'm going to enjoy it. So, first of all, they seal it in this stuff. I swear it's from the era of CDs. You cannot penetrate this plastic. But fortunately, I have my DonDronesOn pocket knife, courtesy of Pocket Watch Purveyor. And slice this open here. And also nice, it's just a simple cardboard box. This is 2 liters, Tiger Tail. Check it out. Check it out. Awesome. All right, let's open her up. See what it's like inside. It's the flap thing. And here we go. I'll let you guys see it first. Hey, it looks all orange. Where is the... Oh, right there. Okay, so let's try this out. Beautiful and creamy. So I'm just going to check on the camera here to make sure you guys can see it. So you just scoop in there, and there's not much licorice in this scoop. Anyway, looks delicious. Let's try it out. Wonderful, absolutely great. And there, you can see the licorice just down inside. We'll have a piece with the licorice. Yeah, check that out. Oh man, and that's real licorice. Must be real licorice. That is delicious. I've had another brand of Tiger Tail ice cream. Not nearly as good as Chapman's. Chapman's ice cream is awesome. Like I said, it's actual real ice cream. 100% Canadian dairy, it says right on there. Calories, seems to be off the scale in terms of calories, so that must be good. All right, I'm gonna have another bite here. I think I'm gonna have a little bit more. That is awesome ice cream. Absolutely awesome. I'm going to have a little bit more. It's really good. Really good, but I wouldn't recommend having the whole carton all at once, even if it is your favorite ice cream. But yeah, not bad. Love it. So my question to you guys, while I'm enjoying the last couple of spoonfuls here, is, have you guys had Tiger Tail ice cream? What do you think? Put a comment down below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you've never had Tiger Tail ice cream, particularly Chapman's, see if your grocery store in your neighborhood carries it. I would strongly recommend it. And otherwise, what's your favorite ice cream flavor? A little bit left, not much. I don't know whether I can finish it. Oh yeah, I think I can. Never mind. Bye. See you later. Like and subscribe below. Let me know what your favorite ice cream is and what you think of Tiger Tail ice cream, orange with a licorice swirl. Talk to you later.